Another question type that I would like to focus on in this webinar is the tagged image. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the choose picture because I have a limited access of houses here in this area, and I'll choose, for example, this picture, and now I can add a text here in this picture. So I'll go and take a door tag, and I can say or mark there what is the condition of the door. So in this case, I believe the condition is good. I can add there also a window tag. So let's go ahead and go there. And let's say this is also a good, in good condition. There might be some rooms in this house, so I can answer some questions around the rooms, about the rooms as well. And with this, you can see that I have a text specific for a room, door, and window within this question. I go back, and you can see that there are already answers to those questions that I've put in a tagged image. This has been proven in our clients and customers that they are using this tagged image question, and they're really happy about it, and in some cases it can be really helpful.